guys, welcome back to the channel. What an exciting video. I don't even know how long I've been waiting to make this video because this big old part for Branson's car, I guess it's a lot of parts into one big thing, finally came in after like, shoot, I don't know, 3 weeks. He was supposed to have this for the flashlight shootout. That didn't happen. Then he was supposed to get it the week after. That didn't happen. He was supposed to get it the week after. Is that this week? I think that should be this week. Anyways, let's go get with Branson because something huge came in for his car, which you already know by the title of this video. But I'm excited! This is the car that's going to hand me my first L. Well, there'll probably be another car that hands me an L before that, but this car is going to hand me one big, big fat L. So we'll see you guys over there. Oh, would you look at that? How long have you been waiting? Was it 3 weeks?
A month? No.
Is this 4 weeks?
Yeah, it's been about 4 weeks.
Alyssa's hiding over there. I can see her right through the grill. Right there. Damn. Okay, can you give us a rundown of what was done to it?
Platinum pistons, forge rods, stock crank, stock block.
So you had to get a fresh new block, right? The other one was Toast.
Yes.
Toast McGee.
New Ford block, new Ford crank.
And then all new bearings, head studs,
Oh, yeah.
gaskets.
ARP head studs.
Your heads were good?
Yeah.
They just had to machine them or clean them up?
Yeah.
Man. Did you get new valve covers or he just clean them that good?
I think he just cleaned them that
I
good.
think so, man. That looks fresh. Wow, impressive. So this is a RPG engine. It's good for what, 12, 13 horsepower?
Yeah.
It's not sleeved, but it is good for 12, 13 horsepower. So, which Branson's gonna try and make like 1800 on the first hit. So.
Break in 1800.
Ooh, did you get some fancy badges or did you paint those?
Painted them over.
Damn, those look good. Oh, you painted the back one too, huh? Yeah, see, I need to have Branson paint my back one. My back one does not look good. Oh, man, those came out glossy.
Oh.
Hit up Branson for all your spray painting needs. Damn.
Took longer to do those than will be to put the engine in.
Ooh. That's a bold move. Bold statement.
Got the cherry picture in the back of the truck.
That's sweet. Dude, I'd be so anxious to get this back in. I'd call in sick for the next couple days. But you can't do it. You gotta make money.
You gotta pay for it somehow.
Yeah, you gotta pay for this thing somehow. Man, that's cool. I can't believe it's already back. I mean, it took longer than you expected, but it's already back.
Freaking FedEx. Fuck FedEx, by the way.
Shout out FedEx for the plug.
It was supposed to ship last Monday.
Yeah, what happened?
They didn't pick it up for a week.
Damn.
And then it comes in today and they're like, oh, it got there too late. We can't deliver it today. So I was like, all right, I'll come pick it up. Well, it's still on the truck.
Oh my
So I called
gosh.
corporate. And needless to say, I picked it up today.
Needless to say, the motor is back. That's cool. So Branson already had the oil pump gears. All that stuff was already done. So he's good to go on that. I still got to do all that stuff to mine when I build it, but that's awesome. So we've got our... I should have got us a Motion Raceworks plate. I should have hit them up.
I know.
But hey, this plate works, okay? That thing is awesome. Good old trusty motor plate there. That's cool.
Dude, you gotta change the oil 3 times in the first 500 miles.
Sounds expensive.
Yeah. It's just that stuff. It ain't fancy.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So he's got some Motorcraft oil to go in there after he does the break-in oil. So he's got some Pennzoil just for the break-in. But that Motorcraft, I'll tell you guys, is $100 right there. Oh, that's cool.
Transmission fluid.
Where's your oil at? I thought you
I
had
haven't got it yet.
Oh, he hasn't got the oil yet.
You don't put the 550 in it until 1,000 miles.
Oh, okay. Well,
So I didn't need it
so
right
we'll
now.
wait on the $100 oil change
Yeah.
for at least a day.
This was 70 just for that.
Gosh, it's got some fresh coolant, training fluid. She's ready to go. All right, let's put it in. Time to start it up. Is it not liking it? Branson is torquing down the oil filter adapter. This fancy ass digital torque wrench must be nice. Must be nice. It's on that twin turbo money right there. You realize you have a twin turbo car and a built motor, Branson?
Uh-huh.
That screams race car to me. Race car. See, some of us are on stock motor and 1 turbo because we can only afford 1 turbo. This guy has to fuck around and get 2 turbos.
It's too tight.
2 turbos is too tight?
wish I had a little bit of overdue to it.
Branson says he's gonna send it. See you guys, race car right there. Look, it's even got air to water. I don't even have one of those.
You have a hood exit installed?
Yet. That's for emissions. Are you gonna... Did you decide if you're gonna take your exhaust off?
No, I'm not.
What?
That just screams race car, and I'm just not part of that line.
Nick has his exhaust dumps, but he's slow.
Yeah.
Nick's like Branson if Branson didn't have turbos. Hey, it said no more. I guess we'll know when it leaks.
Pretty tight. You're about 60 degrees.
Perfect.
Maybe you can spark these.
Ooh.
You know, because I kind of broke one.
Hopefully you kept that one.
That's laying behind you.
That's memories right there. Memories. What's next? What else did we take off when it was out?
We took anything off.
About the alternator we gotta do when it's back in the car. Because it's still on the belt. We'll do all the belts when it's in there. Thermostat when it's in there. About the torque converter.
We just slide
Just slides on the transmission.
If only 4-bolt though, that would be easy. The Cadillac was like 8.
Ugh. Branson, look at this shirt. Shout out the Cadillac. I miss that car.
I don't.
So yeah, really. Throttle body, alternator, that all can go on inside the car.
Just shirt.
Just a big empty hole, waiting for a good old engine. Branson, what is next, man? I must know. Branson getting naked? Sorry guys, you gotta pay to see the rest of that. But hey, look at the shirt though. RPG in the house.
She even got one.
It's ready to go in. Where's yours at? Next video. So pretty much done for tonight. Just gotta, I guess, stab it in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Throw the torque converter on there. And pretty much everything else can be done once it's inside. And we're gonna bring my car over just to make sure we don't mess up any of the plugs. Just because a couple of them are the same, but...
And the transmission bolts, we can see.
Get the transmission bolts in there. Pretty much just start bolting everything back on. It's Branson's birthday on Thursday, so he's probably not working on his car Thursday.
Hell yeah, I'll be out here. That's all I want for my birthday is this damn thing running.
That's a pretty good birthday present right there, though. Good old
We get
trusty.
it running Thursday. We'd be
Calling sick Friday. Test hits on Friday. Be racing by Saturday. My man.
pulling it out next week.
Hey guys, enjoyed that short video over at Branson's getting his engine back in tonight. We should actually be stabbing the motor in because we've pretty much, everything we have left is pretty much in the engine bay that we have to do. So I think tonight we're gonna try and stab the motor, and then hopefully by Thursday or Friday even, he'll have the car running and he can start doing some break-in miles and start doing the logging and tuning. And his car should be back, granted, you know, nothing happens or goes wrong, but it should be back up and running, everything good to go next week. So hopefully that goes well, because I know Branson just got that car and he just blew the motor on it, and now he just got the motor back. So I know he wants to get it back running. I want to see it back running. I know he wants some redemption against Racing Me. Plus, I'm gonna start going to the track. I think next week there is a test and tune, so I think we're gonna go mess with like the 60 foot and see what we can actually get the car to launch at. We might not make full-on passes, but our goal actually is to try and hit some 60 foot and see how we can get the car to hook up. Also, hopefully the air to water will be done before that, because it is going to be so freaking hot. On another note, we have just confirmed our second flashlight shootout will be October 5th. So we didn't really want to do one as close to our first one. However, October is kind of like the time frame that our local track starts to close. So that's kind of when we start to travel out of town to go racing, because everyone else stays open later because of the weather. But here, around the October time frame, they start to close down the track. not too far after that. So October 5th, we are having our second flashlight shootout. We're gonna have an official event flyer coming out probably next week or this weekend, and it's gonna be an awesome time. If you didn't make it out to the first one, you definitely missed out. It was so much fun. A lot of fast cars came out, and it was just an overall good time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Vammy39. I will see you guys on the next one.